You.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
What? Hey.
Touch the bird.
Hello. No? Where's the other one? Is he bad now, huh? And they snip their wings, no? Hello.
Wants to fly away.
Huh? There's more? Oh, there's more birds? Are they getting it?
No, I'm just talking to him.
Rare parakeet? Why is it rare? Why are they $20 if they're so rare? Oh.
Rare, but they're popular. Everybody has these birds.
Yeah. Oh, I always like these. I never knew their names until now. No, just the little simple one. It's a finch. To me, these are really, really cute. How they talk. Like little weird squeaks. This one's skinny. You're all frizzy. Frizzy. Yeah, these, I think they're babies. You know, they're small. No? They look like they kind of. That one's like a young one in the back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's your back.
Ooh, these are weird. See, look at that. See little squeaks. Oh, whoa. These are cuter. I want a finch.
Get on the wheel. Yeah, run.
Yeah, that's right.
That one's like, buy me, look what I can do.
See? Buy me and I'll do tricks. What about you, lazy? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna go in there? Go in there. Go in there. See, he's exercising. What are you doing? He's like, show off.
I bet you feels cool to do that.
If he was what?
Cool.
Hey, he went in there. Aww. This is nice. What is it? Oh no. Wait, oh. Fancy male. Female? Oh, the girls? There's, whoa. The guinea pig? Whoa, it's a big rat.
I wonder what he was saying.
It's like a training how to train your pet thing. Pet training. Yeah,